Okay, what is up, everyone? Good morning, everyone. Today, for the 7 days, gonna first discuss severe weather and then some very interesting temperature anomalies. Wait till you see them. So, right now, for today, we do actually have a enhanced risk, in fact, for portions of central Oklahoma into southwestern Missouri, and then the slight risk for portions of far northern Texas, and that does actually extend all the way into central Kansas. I mean, Kentucky. Blech. Now, we do have a 2% tornadic risk into both the slight and enhanced risk regions. Now, these will be brief and weak, and only a couple are expected to form, but remember, every tornado is dangerous. Then for wind, we do actually have a fairly high probability of some sort of wind event going on. It's gonna be a large cluster moving through. Gonna show you that soon. Yeah. And then hail. Now, hail doesn't look to be too large for today, but it's not out of the question for a couple to potentially near ping pong ball size. And then tomorrow actually is just a marginalized threat. So as you can see here, boom. Nothing much going on. No tornadoes, but there is a wind risk here, and then wind and hail over here. So again, marginal means that any severe threat would be relatively isolated in nature. Now, obviously, today's severe weather outbreak it was fairly significant. Look at this. So, won't quite reach this scale, but again, it's there that there could be some severe weather. So now, here, let's switch on over to precipitation. Wait till you see if I have to show you. Okay, so obviously here's today. So move that forward. Then tomorrow there's that cluster of severe thunderstorms developing from northeastern Kansas. I mean, what the heck? Oklahoma into southern Illinois. Then obviously that dies out by like early morning, Sunday till 7 a.m. It's died. Pretty much just scattered, whatever. Then that will actually probably spawn. Oh, whoops! I have that is plain. Well, anyway, so Monday again, nothing much going on. But then notice quite a bit of rain up here. Then Tuesday, obviously, you've got fairly decent strong low pressure system in Wyoming with rain, maybe scared thunderstorms in Montana. Then quite a bit of rain and a couple storms down here. Then, however, though, the GFS does actually show a severe threat developing here, if I may highlight. Oops. The bar went hazy. Come on. Okay. Here we go. So, it actually shows severe threat right here for late Tuesday night and very early Wednesday morning. So, right now it's looking like wind and hail would be the main threats with these storms. Oh, oops, wrong button. Okay. Then that kind of moves these. But then late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, though, you'll see not only is it more widespread, but it's also a bit further to the north, the severe threat. It's more linear. So, actually, here, side black. So, right here, it would actually show that if you're any interest in this area for late Wednesday night to Thursday into early Thursday morning, severe threat will occur now. Obviously, this may end up pushing to where the arrows lead, but for now it's looking like we'll be in that zone, but would be too surprising if it got a bit more to the east in these areas. So again, wind and hail appear to be the main threats. Um, but then something interesting happens in Canada. Snow. Right up there. Snow. Now of course I don't think any of you guys will be in the zone of impact, but I mean it's just a little something interesting I found. I mean, it's not the most uncommon thing to occur this time of year, but still a bit unusual. But obviously, any snow will be limited to higher elevations, but that would still be, interesting. Now, to show you guys the temperature anomalies. So, actually, right now, much of the central and eastern US is below average. So, I'm gonna actually show you guys peak heating tomorrow. Significantly below average right here in the central USA. Slightly below average here. So a couple spots of about average temperatures here, but overall around average in the northeast US. But much below average here. Then pretty above average here. Then that's thunderstorm activity going on down there. So yeah. Wow. And then just even worse. I mean, look at this. Quite below average, and here's the simple explanation. It's due to that all the precipitation occurring with all of those scared thunderstorms and showers with that storm that will be moving through on Tuesday. Sunday, well, and the cold front, but then warms back up, so then Monday, much below average again. So, quite long string of much below average temperatures are in store, apparently. But then again, looking warmer, but still a bit below average here. Then that's when the next cold wave moves through. Then can just see. And then right here, this is when the snow's gonna occur. Negative. This is 33 degrees below average for this time of year. So who knows what the average is up there, but wherever it is, I guess it's pretty unusual to have snow this time of year up there. It would be too surprising if there was early winter. But again, just one event doesn't signify entire season, but it's 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 a interesting thing to know. So and then to end the week, obviously that's a forecast. Quite oh wait, actually, you know what? One last thing, gonna show you the total rainfall for this week. Gonna be quite soggy for some portions of the USA this week with constant showers of thunderstorms. Okay, let's get right over to Saturday. There. So yeah, quite a bit of rain is looking to fall this week. It's gonna be a pretty soggy week, so and then just bone dry over here. Absolutely bone dry. Doesn't help with considering what's going on there, so that's another thing. Could be a bit soggy, but it's good for especially up here. We've got drought conditions staying up over here, so this rainfall will come in handy. So that's the forecast for this morning. I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow morning.